Let's talk about how we treat and restore aging fat pads that can lead to visible signs of aging on the face. Many wonders if fillers alone are the answer, but the reality isn't simple or black and white. Instead, it is a complex and layered. Fat loss, fat shifting, and even excess fat accumulations each require different approaches. Today, we'll talk through natural, subtle way to restore balance, enhance contour, and avoid a look that's fake and puffy. First, to work on restoration of the volume on the fat pad by using the hyaluronic acid fillers. When fat is lost too quickly, the face can lose its natural dimension. Doctors use fillers not to enlarge the face, but to restore support where it's needed. Here's how hyaluronic acids are applied strategically to support under the upper cheeks to restore mid-face fullness, add lift to the outer cheekbone for contour and definitions, enhance the jawlines to reduce sagging near especially the mouth corner, reinforce the base of the nasolabial fold to soften lines. The goal isn't to make the face look bigger, but it is to restore natural support, smooth the lines, and revive a refreshed, energetic look. Second, to work on the skin that covering the fat pads. Skin tightening treatments. If weight loss left the skin with less elasticity, tightening of the skin and lifting the skin can make a big difference. Effective options include Microneedle radiofrequency, Monopolar radiofrequency, long pulse Alexandrite or long pulse anti-yak laser, or skin booster type of hyaluronic acid fillers will be able to help to tighten loose skin and able to lift contour from within. These approaches are ideal for slim individuals who notice sagging in the lower face, delivering a tighter, more youthful appearance without drastic changes. Third, to work on reductions of volume on the fat pads. Enzyme treatment, PB serum, a regenerative solutions. Beyond just volume and lift, aging also involves tissue quality. Enzyme treatment PB serum addresses multiple facets of aging tissues. It combines targeted actions, lipase, to break down local fat deposits like a double chin or jowl, aiming at fat pads volume reductions. Collagenase, to dissolve disorganized collagen and stimulate new collagen for improved elasticity. Lyase, to improve lymphatic circulations, reduce puffiness, and boost tissue's health. Enzyme treatment, the PB serum, is not simply fillers or a tightening agent. It aims to restore lost structure while reducing excess tissues for a natural, balanced, and youthful results. If you have slimmed down but your face looks hollow or saggy, you are not alone. There are thoughtful, layered solutions. By combining structural support, skin lifting, and cellular level restorations, you can achieve a look that's slim, refreshed, and naturally youthful. Consult with a clinician to discuss a personalized plan that balances fat compartment for your unique facial structures.